If there's one thing you should know about Pinterest is that 80% of its users are browsing the platform with the likelihood of purchasing something. This makes it such a great platform to build your business in, but an even better one to start affiliate marketing on without needing your own business or website. And today I'll share the easiest way to start earning with Pinterest affiliate marketing and ChatGPT without needing an actual skill. You'll be able to start earning thousands per month by spending only 10 minutes or less on your Pinterest account. Let me show you how it's done. Step number one is to find your niche. Since we're using ChatGPT to help us today, we're going to ask it what are the most popular niches on Pinterest right now. So they gave us home decor, travel, fashion, weddings, health and fitness, food, and more. These are truly great niches that you can market on Pinterest. But you need to think of what type of affiliate programs will I be able to join to promote products in those niches first, before actually starting your Pinterest account and making money. So first you'll need to find your affiliate programs. Try finding different affiliate programs that are high-paying affiliate programs in every single of these niches, and choose ones that also align with your passion, because you will need to be at least a little bit passionate about the topic so you can work on this every day without struggles. For example, go to Google and search home decor affiliate programs, or wedding dresses affiliate programs, or whatever the niche you chose might be. Sign up for those and see where you get accepted first. You can also use Amazon's affiliate program if you want. Now, after getting accepted in some affiliate programs and you know exactly what you want to market on your Pinterest account, it's time to go ahead and create your account. Turn it into a business one, add a profile image and a title that aligns with your niche, so include a bunch of keywords in there, and a description added in the same way. So your Pinterest name, it is very good if it includes your niche. So for example, it can be wedding planning, dresses, and bridal accessories. Now you can use Pinterest Trends and the Pinterest search bar to see exactly what keywords people are searching for on Pinterest in your niche. So go to Pinterest Trends, type in your keyword, for example, weddings, and see what are the top trends for your specific niche. Once you know what people are interested in that niche, you can add those keywords to your profile description and also keep them in mind when creating your Pinterest boards. Your Pinterest profile description can sound something like, find the best wedding inspiration here, from wedding venues, locations, decor, restaurants, foods, dresses, and more. Your wedding planning just got better. Now, the best part about Pinterest is that when people click on your profile, the first few pins that they will see is the Created tab, where you will include a bunch of your affiliate links. So that will make it easier for you to make affiliate sales and earn commissions when somebody clicks on your profile. But be aware, Pinterest does not want you pinning only affiliate links and only unique links every single day on your profile. You will need to mix those up with other pins, as I'm showing you right now. So they want every Pinterest profile to be a combination of what's already working on the platform and your own unique pins that you pin from other websites or your affiliate links. And what that means is that you need to start creating your Pinterest boards with your target audience in mind and what they're already searching for and pinning on Pinterest. So let me show you what I mean. First, you'll create from 5 to 10 boards with different specific topics within your niche. For example, wedding dresses, wedding accessories, wedding hairstyles, bridal makeup, groomsmen outfits, and so on, wedding venues, wedding locations. Just make sure to split up your niche in different categories that you saw people are searching for, either in the search bar, either in Pinterest Trends. Also, when creating these boards, you will need to keep in mind the exact affiliate products that you will want to promote later, because you will add those unique links with those affiliate products in those boards first, in the most relevant board. So you will need to create those boards in your niche based on that as well. Now the next part will be optimizing those boards for SEO and adding unique pins to them. You can use ChatGPT to help you with that and ask them to craft a unique Pinterest board description with some keywords that you tell them to. Next, you'll need to go to Pinterest and search the exact topic of each board in the Pinterest search bar. From there, add 10 to 20 pins per board of the most popular pins in that niche in that specific topic. To learn what the most popular pins are from your search, make sure to install the Chrome extension down below. This will tell you what the most popular pins are, and you can pin those in those specific boards one at a time. Next, you'll need to start creating your own affiliate pins for your affiliate products. Do not add the same affiliate link multiple times a day, even if you use different pin graphics. Make sure to make a variation of those and add it every single day, different links. And also every day, make sure to use a combination of popular pins and your own affiliate links as well. So every day you can pin either from the home feed or do the same thing as we've done before. Search in the search bar different pins in your topic, in your niche, and pin those into your boards. When you see fit, you can also start creating more Pinterest boards and keep them active. Now, when adding your pins to Pinterest with your unique affiliate links, make sure to optimize them for SEO really well so they show up in search when somebody is searching for a product similar to yours. For this, again, you can use ChatGPT and you can say something like, I need a pin description for a wedding dress that looks like this, and give a bit more details, and please include the following keywords. Then ChatGPT will craft an awesome pin description for you that you can use freely. Make sure to also include hashtags and include affiliate link disclosure. That can be either by saying this is an affiliate link and I'm earning a small commission from it, or you can just add hashtag affiliate link. Pinterest asks that you disclose that it is an affiliate link just for your audience to make it more believable, but they do not specify that you need to write all those words. You can simply use a hashtag. Now, also use an SEO rich title for your pin and optimize it like that, and add your affiliate link to the link in the pin. You can add topics for your pin as well. Just select from the tags that are available and then pin it into the most relevant board for the pin. For example, if your pin is about wedding dresses, firstly pin it into the wedding dresses board, and then you can schedule it with Tailwind to go into multiple Tailwind communities and to schedule it into being published in different boards every single day, in different days, or at a different interval. Now, once everything is set up, it shouldn't take you longer than 10 minutes to show up on Pinterest and manage your account. Now, it can take a little bit for your pins to start getting traction, for you to get followers on Pinterest, but it really depends on your niche, how popular it is, how many people are searching for those pins. But if you keep at it for 10 minutes every day, you will start seeing real results within 30 or 90 days for more results. In your 10 minutes per day, you will spend creating 2 or 3 vertical pins with your products. You don't need to add your website link there. You can select the size 1000 per 1500 pixels, add your product images, and create pin graphics that really grab the attention of the viewer. You can also use animations and more. Go to your affiliate programs and generate your unique affiliate link that you'll be adding to Pinterest. Use ChatGPT to create your pin title and description. Add these 2 or 3 pins into the most relevant boards first, and then go to your Pinterest home feed or to the Pinterest search bar to pin a little bit into your own boards, popular pins on Pinterest. So yes, doing this daily for at least 90 days will give you amazing results if you've chosen the products correctly and the niche. But the only way to know if you did that is by doing this daily and seeing the results and then optimizing from there. And if you're using the strategies that I mentioned in this video. So what do you think? Did you make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing? If so, how did it go? Or are you going to try Pinterest affiliate marketing after this video? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more social media and business weekly videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.